something about the way that you talk to me. Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. So baby, I want this. I want this to last forever. Oh yeah. So baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh,
Hello, welcome to a new vlog. If you're new here, you're mostly welcome. Please do subscribe, do turn your post notifications on, do share the videos, do the likings, the commenting and everything. We are starting a new vlog here and I have a mask on just in case you're wondering what's going on. And for those who are interested, this is the mask that I'm using by Gentle Magic skincare mask. So I'm currently using this. So on today's agenda, who's that? On today's agenda, we are changing this carpet, this plastic carpet right here. As you guys can see, it's literally gone, finished. Like the floor of my room is actually this one, the red one. That's the color. So I just bought a new carpet, this one right here. That's the one that I want to change. I don't know if I'm gonna I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I have to change all the way from here, coming here like this, all the way outside to the door. So that's what we're gonna do right now. But first, let's have breakfast. I'm just making toast. Another one is here. Let's eat first and then we can work later. So we are done putting up the carpet and this is how it looks like. All the way here, going all the way to the door over there. At least I kind of like this color. I don't know what you guys think. And then it also comes this way, all the way here, this side, all the way there to my other side.
Ya, motor ngorin zo mago. Sadra bana music da ja. Kazo dona. Oh, ai. Pertera terapi mama. Siapa?
Kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something terrible.
Hey loves, welcome to a new video. So today is welcome to a new day. Actually, I don't know why, for some reason today I woke up in a very good mood. I don't know where this mood came from, but I'm here for it all, guys. I don't know, maybe I might cry later because I usually don't wake up like this. Like, I wake up so grumpy. Like, I'm such a grumpy person in the morning for 2 hours, even 4 hours. But it's morning now, and I was like, you know what, since I'm in a good mood, let's make me a good breakfast. So I want to make like breakfast, a real breakfast, like everything in it. That's exactly what I want to do right now. Hope you guys are doing fine and lovely. Whew, my hand hurts from holding this camera already. Hope you guys are doing happy and lovely, and you're enjoying the festive season with your loved ones. So let's make some breakfast and have breakfast, and then I have nothing planned for the day. That's it. That's all I want to do. I just want to make breakfast. Please do like the videos, guys. Please do comment. Please do share. Please do say something in the comment section, and let's make breakfast now. I have some leftover livers that I cooked last night, so we're gonna have that. Put it on the side. I have baked beans. I have coffee. I didn't have coffee. I went to buy coffee, and then we're gonna make eggs. We're going to make eggs and some cheese. I like to mix my eggs with onions and peppers, maybe, and tomatoes, because it just kills the smell of the eggs. And then I have bread. Fanyakazi, nitoke mapema bado. So our brekkie is ready. We have bread, we have baked beans. I have my liver there, and the egg, some Coke, and tea. I've put ice in my tea because it's freaking hot. Bon appetit! So today is the day that we are finally doing our hair, guys. I've already washed my hair, blow dried it, and did all the prep before that. So this is the bread that I'm using. We are using her. This is the color that we are going for, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets. I have 5 packets. I'm not in my best headspace today, guys. I don't even know what's happening in my life, but let's get this hair down. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair, like step by step, the important steps I'm going to share with you guys. So the first thing is wash your hair, blow dry it, apply oil, hair food, but not a lot. I'm using the Dark and Lovely hair food. This is the one that I'm using. You apply a tiny amount of it, and when you're doing your hair by yourself, you need a mirror. You need a mirror. Otherwise, here's my mirror. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a disaster in paradise. So I need a mirror, I need hairpins, I need hair bands. Let me quickly get my hair bands. So we are gonna start, we'll start by prepping our bread and how it looks like, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of hair food, just a little bit, not much, and then just run my finger through the bread to make it a little bit soft and easy to work with. I'm going to connect my phone with the camera so that it makes life easier for me. Otherwise, child. So I used I think I shared this with some of you guys here in the vlogs. I have the Canon app. Here's the app. It's called what? It's called Camera Connect. It's right here. Can you guys see it? Yes, this one right here. So this is the app that I use, and then I open my Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth, and then it comes like that, as you can see, and then I go to live shooting or live whatever. Okay, and it's supposed to connect by now. I don't know what's happening. So we are live. We are live. Can you guys see that? So I can easily see what's happening here on my phone, like as a monitor. I can like monitor anything here. So I'm gonna turn around and we're gonna start with the back. My hair is anyways, guys, let's do this. Let's move this. I feel like I'm too bright. Anyways, guys, it is the next day today. Yesterday I finished my hair, I think around past 9 in the evening, and I couldn't be bothered. So our hair is all done. Ouch! Our hair is all done. Actually, I extended these braids, so this is how they look like. I extended them when I was doing them because I wanted them to be like a little bit super long, and I need to redo this one, these two, they're kind of loose, so I need to redo them. Anyways, how you guys doing? It's currently 3 p.m. The weather has been, it's 2 minutes past 3. The weather has been gloomy the entire day today, and today is Wednesday. I usually fast I fast Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays, 3 days, or sometimes I just fast on Friday, and I break my fast around 3. So that's what we're doing right now. We are breaking our fast, and we are having, I just have tea, coffee. I know I'm not supposed to have coffee to break my fast. And then I have bread with cheese inside. I have eggs here. I have a piece of beef and a piece of chicken. That's what we are having. So let's eat first, and then we can do this hair later. Like, actually this is it, but I just want to like apply oil, redo this too, apply oil, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm done eating because I'm starving. So this gel, when you apply it on your hair, it definitely flakes. Look at that whiteness. Look at that whiteness. So anyways guys, this is the final look of the look. I just did a little makeup because I want to do some photo shoot. Like, I just want to take some few photos here and there with my dress because I've not made justice with the photos with this dress. I'm not like impressed. Like, I've not even done it. So this is the actual look, guys. This is the final look of my braids. This is how they are, and this is how long. This is how long they are. Let me stand up. Let me stand up. This is how long the braids are. They are very, I mean very long, guys. Very long. But I'm kind of like impressed. Like, I'm impressed. I'm happy with the job that I do. I'm happy that I have a talent that I can do my own hair. Actually, can also do my own makeup. I mean, I'm not bragging, but I'm just grateful. So guys, this is the final look of this video. I mean, this is the final look of everything. Okay, so let's just come a little bit closer. So this is the final look, and we are gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my life in this one room right here. I don't even know why I'm shouting. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope you guys, please guys, give this video a thumbs up. Like, just press the like button. Nothing will happen. You won't get charged money. You can also subscribe if you haven't subscribed as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So for those who wanted me to do the hair with you, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year to you. Bye. Please do share the video as well, because why not? Bye guys. Ha!